Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. I hope you're doing okay today. And y'all, guess what? I've finally gotten things together. As you recall, a little over a week ago, Maddie exited the beauty room. Yes, she did. So she now has her own glam room, and I'm sure she's going to be delivering a tour for y'all in the near future, what she's got going on in there. But today I wanted to share with y'all, since I've reorganized a little bit, kind of cleaned up a little bit, for the most part, everything is where it's going to be that I know of. There may be some additions coming in the future, but for right now, I have pretty much everything, kind of the way I would like for it to be. So what I wanted to do is break out an actual tour for y'all today. Now, what you're going to find is that there's going to be 3 videos that are going to start off pretty much the same way as this one. You're going to get Beauty by Sweet Angel tour. Beauty by Sweet Angel, of course, y'all already know that is where I do my home remedies, my natural treatments. That is the channel that houses all of that. And then you'll also have probably a snippet of this on behind the scenes as well, just giving you an overall review or briefing on everything that's in here and so forth. And y'all know Sugar Fingers is now up and running, and that's where we do the nails at. Exactly. I have a nail station as well housed in this room, which mine is under development because, of course, most of the stuff that we did nails with, was actually Maddie's, or I purchased it for her because she's my nail girl. That's what she does. But I, on the side of everything else, have to know how to do what I have to do when it comes to my hair, beauty, nails, whatever. So your girl is all involved in that too. So now I am shopping, getting my stuff together for that. And more than likely, on behind the scenes, you're going to get the makeup side of things. So that's how we're going to break it out today. So if you're ready for it, expect 3 videos. So when you're looking, you're going to see, if you're bona fide beautiful babe, you're going to watch all 3 videos because each are going to offer something a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, get my gear together. And again, this is where I work and my space. So it can't be like completely like neat and tidy, but it's tidy, but it's just like some little things may be out of place because I've been working today. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and get to it. And make sure, listen, before you go anywhere, before you do anything, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Please, y'all, in the comment section, y'all tell them they need to subscribe because this is where we hang out at. Absolutely. And let's get to it, y'all. So my beauty room is right outside the kitchen, and this is the entry to it. There is like a bifold door that comes into the beauty room. Now, this was formerly my dining room, or our dining room. Let me just start from the right hand side of the room. So this is the door where we just came in at. And over here, there is a chair that's been around forever. And of course, the walls got painted when we first decided that the dining room was going to be the beauty room. What I have here is those El Cheapo mirrors from like Walmart that cost about $5. They were just sitting around, and when Maddie took her mirror down, I just went ahead and put those up for the time being and just screwed them into the wall. And yes, I did it myself. Mike did not help me. And over here, this is a station that I have where I get my PR packages in, things that I have to review, along with my air purifier that's there. So those are some items that I do have to review. I'm not sure if they'll be on the channel or not, but I just have to send in, after I do my review to them, just a video of that. And there's just some little trays under there with some carpet spray, aroma spray, book spray, something like that. And over in this corner right now, I just have some trays that I use sometimes to mix things up, and a box that I just recently got an item from Amazon on. And y'all, since you're on behind the scenes right now, this is the makeup area. Over here, I have everything that I need. Brushes, lipsticks, everything organized, eyeshadow palettes, and so forth. So let's just take a gander at all of that. Now y'all know this is where I do my makeup and stuff on this channel for the most part. I kind of flip-flop between here and Beauty by Sweet Angel, but for the most part over here. So we're just going to start here on this side and talk about the makeup. All I'm going to do, I'm not going into any major details, just tell you how I have it organized and what's over here, okay? So up here is just a little wall placard that I have sitting on an extra shelf I had. Over there, those are just some makeup remover products. And next shelf, you'll find my brushes. Most of my brushes that I have, except for the ones that are dirty, and maybe some specialty brushes. Right here, this is my foundations right in here. And just a little flower. I think that was a edible arrangement Maddie bought me for Mother's Day last year. And down here, you'll find my bronzers and highlighters and bronzer kits and so forth are down in this little cut here, and also any like palettes that have it in there, so and powders, a lot of stuff that's in there. So I just keep them organized in these little trays. They come from Amazon like so, and I'll give you a little bit more brightness there. Okay, so that is what's over there. And down below in these two bins, I have my facial mask and my Paris soap, which y'all know we use a lot of that for washing our faces. Paris soap and mask and all kinds of mask and powders and bentonite clay and stuff like that is in there. These are just mainly Q-tips and makeup wipes that's in this bin right here. And these shelves again are not real deep, so that's as far as they can go in there. And starting at the bottom here, this is just where I keep my tweezers are in there. Those are BB creams and CC creams and stuff like that. Those are pretty much empty. A little plaque I made, I don't know, I just love stickers and I put them on that little board whenever I get stickers. Over here I have my makeup setting spray, my lip liners. Those are some extra SD cards in there. Those are my eye primers, eyelid primers, etc. And there are some more little specialty brushes from Morphe. And over here I have my single eyeshadows. And I have my Vicily Magic Lashes, my magnetic lashes, and my lashes that I'm currently wearing now from Amazon. My makeup sponges. And next row, little plaque here, which is hiding eyeline pencils, which I don't use those as much now. Here's all of my little lip glosses over here. And then it starts the lipsticks right here. I think in here is like MAC and Nicka K, Avon, and Tarte is in there. And above, I just have some lip balms, EOS and something else, and some Vaseline right there. That's a Reed diffuser that has already diffused itself away, which I have not refilled it yet. And those are all of the large eyeshadow palettes I have right here. And over there you'll find my eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. The next shelf starts more lipsticks. Milani has a little section all to themselves. These are some Vanity Planet brushes, those new style brushes that I really didn't even get a big hand on. I'm not comfortable with them, but I love them, but I'm not comfortable with them, so I don't use them that often. Here is some L'Oreal collection exclusive lipsticks. I have a bunch of those as well, and they're on a little section by themselves. And here are all the other lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, etc., etc., taking up like 6 little bins of lipsticks, and of course the ones that you had already seen. Next row you'll find my powders, pressed powders, first 2 rows there. And then I have my blushes, the next 2 rows, next 3 rows actually, of blushes. In these, I have my liquid lipstick remover, and I don't know, what are those? Oh, those are glitter eyeshadow or liquid eyeshadows. Primers, eyebrow products, concealers, liquid and cream as well. And the bottom is mascara. Down there I just have some mixing bowls that I keep over in the cut there, little glass bowls, a plant, and some giveaways hopefully when things open back up. On this next shelf, which is not makeup related whatsoever, it's just a subscribe pillow, a thumbs up pillow, my old camera that broke, a really old camera that is so cute. I just like to keep it because it's cute, and it has poor quality. My first dollar I made on YouTube. A little plant that we got from Marshall's or maybe Burlington, who knows. And over there are essential oils, which has nothing to do with the makeup, but that's where it's at. And of course the little lights came from Amazon as well. Those boxes there are just some oils that I have, and that's a little fan heater. When it gets too cold, put the heat on. If it's too warm, I have a little fan that can blow as well. On the top of the bookcases, you'll find little trinkets and so forth, and a picture of me and my little mini me right there. That's Maddie over there with me. And on the wall, that is a beautiful little painting. I love it so much. It's actually just like a, I don't know what you call it, but it's some art that we picked up, probably either Burlington or at Marshall's, our favorite stores to get whatnots at. And here we are with a chair. You should have seen a video on it already where we picked it up at. It also came with a footstool, which since the room was so cluttered, we had to go ahead and move it out of here. Maddie actually has it in her bedroom. Moving along this wall, if you recall, also we had a Hello Beautiful stencil on the wall, but considering I had to add additional space, I had to cover up the hello part. But above there it says blessed, and there is a bookcase on top of the chest of drawers here. The chest actually houses a lot of the mixing things, my bottles, my measuring cups, different utensils, bowls, etc., etc. over there. And over here in this corner, try to get a little bit of light. I'm trying not to let it be too blinding to you. There is just some of the little storage bins with little whatnots in it. My beautiful Babe cups right there. And again, these store like some of my dry goods that I use for mixing. I don't store them in the kitchen because I don't want, you know, Mike is always like complaining about the space in the kitchen, so I don't want to take up his space for my stuff. And my world famous oils are over here. And of course, this is where I do my makeup at, so you'll see most of my little hair products that I use day to day. My little dirty makeup brushes. This armoire, which is a jewelry armoire, I actually store my everyday makeup in here, so that's what's actually in here, like little things I use on a daily. So I know it may be kind of dark over here and you can't see, but hey, that's it. Okay, over here, of course, y'all remember my mini fridge is right there. I have my waxer, I have my facial tools and my steamer, just some Kleenex, and some little things that I may do in giveaways when I start that process back up again. All of these little bins, if y'all recall, they used to sit behind me, but now they're over here storing all of my natural treatment stuff, like my powders and oils and aloe vera and so forth and so on. So those are all over there, but you'll get a full overview on Beauty by Sweet Angel. And over here is where I sit. This is my desk. That's my little old tablet. All of my plugs and bells and whistles go there. There's Alexa Echo. She is stuck over in the corner there. And my little fan that I keep on when I'm doing my makeup so it won't get too hot. My mirror, my cell phone. Yes, I'm starting back trying to do Workout Wednesdays, so that is that. And that's my desk. You may recall Mike and I did like a DIY of the desktop. So this is just actual flooring. And that's where my camera would go when I'm filming. Just try not to blind y'all too much, but I have 2 ring lights. Those 2 right there is what I use. They're usually brighter than that when I'm filming. So over here, again, more continuation of the bins over here. And she's out of place. Yeah, I used some castor oil this morning in my hair, so that's why she's out of place. All right. And there's a little TV up there. I'm not sure if the TV is staying. This was Maddie's old TV, and we used it just to, you know, watch YouTube on it while we're in here. So she may take it, or she may get the other one, because I think we're planning on putting a bigger TV in the den, and she may just take that one, which she's just going to use it, I guess, as a monitor in her glam room, but she hasn't really thought about whether she's going to do that or not. And over here is the nail stuff. So this is pretty much it, y'all. I'm sorry it was kind of wobbly. I just really had no other way to really do this other than show you like so. Get that light out of y'all face. And wish I had a drone. I could just show y'all everything like so. And this is it. And this little rug here, we got it at some home decor store. I liked it in the beginning, but it gets so dirty because it was so pretty and white at first, and now it's kind of like a dingy black and whatever color that is now. But this is it, y'all. And this year for sure, the chandelier has got to go. We got to put a fan in there because it gets super hot in here when it gets in the deep summer time. So definitely got to do that. But y'all, this is it for the overall tour. Now just stay tuned for the portion of Beauty by Sweet Angel to go over what's on the wall for the home treatments. And for Sugar Fingers, we'll go into more detail about what's on the nail station. So stay tuned for those upcoming videos. And I thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this little tour, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, beautiful babes. Bye.